What's good, it's your boy JLG here, back at you with another video, and today I've got a very special unboxing for you guys. I'm going to be opening up and looking at the Jordan 13 Flints. That's right guys, the Jordan 13 Flints are the shoe I'm going to be unboxing today. Now I've got them here. As you can see, I have not opened them up. All I've done is taken them out of the cardboard box so far guys. So I don't know what they look like yet, but because I'm in Australia, we did have a delayed release. That's why this video is coming out so late. But I know a lot of people I've been talking to in the States have been saying these look a lot better in person than what they do in the photos. Now personally, I've never even owned a pair of Jordan 13, so I'm very excited to see if the hype is it, you know, are they as fire as everyone's saying they are? And we're about to find out, but before I can get into the unboxing guys, I need every single one of you guys, that's right, you watching right now, to go down below, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and with that out of the way, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so like I said, I've never had a pair of 13s in before. Now I know that this box is for not just the 13s, I think a few other models use the same or similar box to this as well. But it's something different, you know, no elephant print or anything like that like we see with the 3s and 4s boxes. Not the retro Nike Air Tick like we have on the 1s. But I'm going to open this up and I'm going to tilt it forward so you guys can get that first live look at the pair. Let me see. Wow, okay. Okay, I do like these. Let me show you guys now. I do really like these. You know, I'm not a huge 13s guy. I more like to stick to my probably 1s, 4s, 11s, 3s. Probably my favorites out of the Jordan collection. But you know, 13s, they're cool. I like these. These are probably one of my favorite 13s that I've seen in quite a while. These and the Breads. These are actually really fire though. The more I'm looking at this, the more detail I see. The changes of the fabrics. It's a really beautiful shoe. Got some leather in there. Some other different materials. And I'm just thinking about outfits that you can put together. Wow!
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Actually, I've just looked at the soles. I know you don't really see the sole, but you gotta admit, how cool is this sole? I mean, that is pretty sick, guys. Let's see on the other pair as well. These are actually dope. You got the little hologram 23 Michael Jordan, which is really cool detail. I've never seen one of these up that close. If you guys can see there, you can see a little 23 and Michael Jordan in there. I just thought that was sort of like a cylinder, or like not a cylinder, a ball sort of thing that was there. I didn't even know that it was more like a hologram. So you learn something new every day, guys. But yeah, the back of the shoe is something I never really seen. I'm not sure if I really like the back of the shoe, but definitely from a side view or a front view, these are dope, man. I like how they sort of got, looks like a North Carolina blue almost on that Jumpman logo on the tongue. That's really sick. Now I'm just thinking already, you know, if you don't follow me on Instagram already, then you got to go do it right now at JLGSYG on the gram. If you guys know me, then you know I absolutely love jersey outfits. You know, as a sports fan, a huge sports fan, whether it's basketball, soccer, NFL, you know, anything really, baseball. I love jersey outfits, right? And I'm just thinking, the possibilities with these, how cool would this shoe look with like that, I think it was like 98 or something like, no, not even. I think it was maybe like early 2000s. Yeah, early 2000s. It's like a Shaq jersey. Maybe a Kobe one as well. It's a Lakers jersey. It's like the blue one. It's like a dark blue with a bit of light blue. I'll put it up on the screen right now so you guys can see. I'll put it up here. But it would look so cool. That with some jeans and these. Ooh. That's a clean fit right there. You're getting at least like 200 likes on that pic, you know, no matter how many followers you got. If you got that fit, ooh, that's all I'm gonna say right there. But, you know, just at the shoe overall, it's definitely a fire pair. I have to agree with what I was hearing. They do look a lot better in person than what the pictures do them. The pictures do not do these justice, guys. Now, I want you to let me know down below, what do you think of the Jordan 13 Flints? If you really like them and you want to cop a pair, these are a size 10 US, will have them up for sale on my reselling page at Blueprint Sneaker Store. If you don't follow me there already, I post all the shoes I do unboxings for that aren't my personals. Pretty much all of them go up there. So if you do want to buy these, they're US 10 and they'll be available there. But yeah, what do you guys think? Just comment your overall thoughts down below on these shoes. Are they fire? Are they trash? I need you guys' opinions. And I think that does pretty much bring me to the end of the unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any other of my banger videos, guys. And until next time, guys, peace.
Virtue. Bitch, I put my line on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, sober watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fucking shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime. Bitch, I put my line on my meat cause it's prime. Then I got behind, sober watch, can't waste time. She would never change, but fucking shit, she a dime. I'ma beat the pussy, I kill it like it's a crime.